a region of charming landscapes and ancient charm that offers original history and environment. This place has always been considered an ideal location by many people who make the most of its infinite resources in the heart of the Mediterranean. An abundance of water, natural heartlands and grottos, fertile land, winding rivers, all of this takes you back to another time, traces of which can be found at the 6 national museums in the area and in the beautiful stones of Matera. The Magna Graecia civilizations originated in Basilicata in the 8th century BC. The columns of the Tavole Palatine are fascinating remains of the temple to goddess Hera, and it is said that Pythagoras held his school of philosophy right there. Vast, fertile hills dotted in areas further inland. Unspoilt mountains still rich with woods and fresh springs. The natural climatic variety and experience of the people combine to produce real agricultural treasures. But it's not just about tradition. In Shanghai, Basilicata will present its excellence in other fields: automotive technology, research into environmental sustainability and renewable energy, higher education, space technology, and agrobiotechnology. Basilicata, a land where the past and present coexist. A land that is looking towards the future.